Here is the forecast for the Des Moines metropolitan area. Today mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. North wind 5. The Storm Prediction Center has issued Tornado Watch number 235 effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Appanoose, Audubon, Black Hawk, Boone, Bremer, Butler, Calhoun, Carroll, Cass, Cerro Gordo, Clark, Crawford, Dallas, Decatur, Emmett, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Grundy, Guthrie, Hamilton, Hancock, Hardin, Humboldt, Jasper, Kossuth, Lucas, Madison, Mahaska, Marion, Marshall, Mitchell, Monroe, Pocahontas, Polk, Poash, Ringgold, Sac, Story, Tama, Taylor, Union, Wapello, Warren, Wayne, Webster, Winnebago, Worth, and Wright. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets, or internet services for the latest severe weather information.